Hey guys, so I got a brand new Imperial pasta machine. We're gonna make some fresh pasta today. So yeah, let's get this all set up. Alright, screw that in, that's in place. Then we got our handle that we need to make pasta. We're gonna just put this guy right here. It's gonna give us, you know, a motion for the pasta. Then I got this next mechanism right here, and this guy. So there you go, guys. That is how you set up the machine. So guys, this is what you need to make the pasta. You're gonna need all-purpose flour, olive oil, salt, and eggs. Some good fresh eggs. Alright, and in a bowl. Now, to make this process easier, you can put it in a food processor, pulse it for like 10 times or whatever until it all combines, and yeah, it's easier. But I'm gonna go grandma's way today. I'm gonna mix everything in a bowl, and after I mix it in the bowl, we're gonna cook it. No, we're gonna stretch it out and cook it. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Let's make this pasta. We got 5 cups of flour. We're gonna go in with about a tablespoon of salt. Yeah. A little bit of olive oil. So the olive oil adds a shine to the pasta. Yeah. Makes it nice and glossy. It's like glossy paint. And then we're gonna add 4 eggs. Voila. Right there, yeah. So now we're gonna mix this. Scramble it. Make it scrambled eggs. Once that's all mixed, now you wanna pull some flour. Pull it, and combine. Alright, so after I combine everything, this is what it looks like. This, you know, delicious, amazing dough. We're gonna transform this is gonna be pasta. Alright, so at this point now, I clean my counter. I'm just gonna go ahead and just knead it on here. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I've kneaded this bad boy for about 15, 18 minutes. So now we're gonna wrap it in cling film, plastic wrap it in here, and then pop it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. You wanna hydrate everything, get everything, going in. That's what it looks like, Alright, so I cut it in half. I passed it through one time already. And I'm just getting it all nice and floured. It's nothing worse than it sticking to the machine. So now we're gonna go through the biggest setting, which is number 5 on this guy. Right, so after pass through one time, we're gonna cut this bad boy in half. Right, keep it nicely floured. This time when I pass it through, I'm taking it down to 4. And voila. And we're off. Okay, now we're gonna take it down to 3. And go in. Right after 3, we're gonna do it. Got at 2. I'm good with number 2 for that. Now you want to figure out where. I figure about, maybe that big for fettuccine. So I'm gonna go right there, and then voila. And here we go. And here we go. Beautiful, beautiful fettuccine. And there you have it, guys. Fettuccine. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pasta. Could do so much great stuff with this Alfredo.